Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Saturday, June 2nd. Another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Pretty heavy box we have here. Coming from Fixing Direct, I do believe. And hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It's a new month. And we shall see what this is today. And of course, the link is going to be down below. You can always check them out, see what else they have to offer you guys. And today they have... What is this? Okay. There we go. Homasy, I do believe. Handheld vacuum cleaner. Bada boom. Dry and wet. 3 to 5 hours charge time. Alright. Let's take a look at what she looks like. Here we go. Alrighty. Oh. Look at this thing. Nice little charging base. Bada boom. Here's a little cord. It's swinging. Here we go. Alright. Oh, now this thing is nice. You got the attachments. Get this out of the way. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Alrighty. We got this now. Let me open it up a little bit. Whoa, look at this thing. Really nice. Homasy. Lightweight. Blah. Alright, let's see what's the... This part. There we go. Got that done. Bada boom. Pretty cool. Got the sticker off. Now just gotta open. Ooh, nice. And filter. Placement should be a snap. Nice. Here's the inside of that, looks like. And I got to pop it in. Like that. Bada boom. There we go. Now we got some cleaning attachments. Got the manual, which we probably don't need. Got the big hose in between the car seats and stuff, the couches, the brush, little cleaner, pipe cleaner, a replacement filter. It's always good to have, and I'm sure you guys could order more of these once you guys click on the link. And another brush, another one. Bites the dust. There we go. We got this going. We got this untangled just a little bit. Oh boy. Wait. Bam. Alright. This is a charging base, dock station. Man. Pretty lengthy cord. Oh, come nice. Let's hear this thing. Oh, sorry about that. Second time. Oh. Oh yeah. She's a sucking. Dang, this has some power to it. You can feel it. Oh yeah. Easy attachment. Connect. Lord. This thing's a beast. Look at that shark. Wait. Oh yeah. Get your card detailed. The couches. Heck yeah. Oh, I took it. Oh well. Really good stuff. Homasy. I do believe sounds right. But fill it up to the max. And like I said, easy access to open and close. Lightweight, pretty powerful thing right here though. So this will be definitely good for a Father's Day gift. Highly recommend checking them out. Get this shipped over to you guys quickness. Cool. Alright you guys, be safe. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.